Over the next week, we're going to look at how to take some of the individual components of the user interface and try and put them together and get them to work in concert with each other. We'll be looking at both conceptual strategies and design strategies and figuring out what kind of information is going to be useful when we try and make a whole interface out of these various pieces that we've been looking at. We're going to start to think about how we might take some of our more conceptual and theoretical knowledge about the user interface and combine it with some more practical knowledge to do with design skills and making the interface. There's a lot of different skills and different components for us to think about. We've looked at some very broad and wide-reaching concepts, and while these are great for giving us some background information, we now need to start to try and apply them to some specific interfaces. And in a similar way, we've taken the user interface apart and divided it into many small components or approaches to design. Now we have to think about combining all those individual pieces of knowledge and starting to apply them to a larger and more practical project. But we don't want to do that in a disparate or fragmented kind of way. We want to build connections between all these different skills, and we want them to work in harmony with each other. In a lot of ways, the skills that we've been looking at and the way that we've been talking about them have been very general and very generic, and I've left it open like this on purpose. I don't want to dictate a narrow or specific way of working. I'm more interested in you developing a set of skills that you can apply in a number of different ways to different kinds of content. But one thing that would be useful at this stage is figuring out how to tie some of those skills to do with making individual components with the larger theoretical aspects of user interface design that we've looked at, the things that we're calling the overview. If you can build a relationship between these larger theoretical practices and the more practical design skills, you'll have a really great foundation for working as a UI designer.